On behalf of OSA Property Management, welcome to OSA, Costa Rica. This is part of our waterfall video series. So here we are at Cascada El Pavon. Hi, this is Nick Halverson with OSA Property Management, and we're at Cascada El Pavon, one of the many waterfalls down here in the OSA region between Ojochal and Coronado. This waterfall is located. It's a great location for swimming, depending on the time of year, photography, videography, and just a great day to enjoy. Give us a call or contact us if you'd like more information about visiting this waterfall or any other waterfalls in the area. Do us a favor and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red bird. We look forward to seeing you down here in Costa Rica.